Hello to everyone. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. And today I am introducing new, which is called the ngunjuk nga ni. So today we're going to learn the five ngunjuk. It's called the ngunjuk nga means five. So what are ngunjuk nga? You can see here ka, ta, pa, ma, a. So here is we going to learn and read one by one. Now you guys remember previously I introduced 10 Genjuk. Alright? You guys remember? Kanga, Tana, Pama, Ha, Rala, Sa. These are called Genjuks. So Genjuk means literally the letter they go after the main letter. Right? So now here, so we're going to learn. Look at here. So now, previously, we have learned sa kataka, sa kataga, sa ngatanga. You remember? This is sa ngatanga naru ngo. You guys remember this? Yes, you guys remember this? And now we can read this one. This letter. What is this? This is Genjuk. Previously we learned there are how many letters are? 10 letters called Genjuk. So now you can see na is one of the Genjuk. Na. Ka nga ta na. You remember? Na. This is. Now you can see this is the main letter. The main letter. The main one. And whatever letter go after the main letter called Genju. So how many Genju are there? Only 10. You see, now we're going to learn how one by one. That is how we can put all together and we can read the word. So now let's focus this word. This is called the ngun. Ngon. Ngon meaning is before. So now let's focus this one. Sa ngata nga naru ngo. You see? Sa ngata nga naru ngo. So make sure we have to read one by one. First, we have to read this one. Sa ngata nga. This is the sa ngata nga naru ngo. And then we have to read Genju na. Na, this is na. Sa ngata nga naru ngo na ngun. That is how it's come pronounced when we put together. Sa ngata nga naru ngo na ngun. 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 That is how we pronounce. The meaning of ngun mean is before. So what that means? Now we're going to introduce. These are called the ngon. Ngon. Juk mean is go. You see, now we are focusing. You see, very exciting. Let's see. This is ngonjuk. This is literally we are focusing this letter now called ngonjuk. You see? So now this is the main letter. And now this letter, the 5 letter, ka, ta, pa, ma, a. These 5 letters go before the main letter. That's why it called ngon. Juk. Ngon mean is before. Juk mean is go. So that mean is the letter that go before the main letter. So that is called, name is Ngonjuk. So now literally focus only this word. You see, this is the main letter. You see, and this is Genjuk. Remember now, previously we learned 10 Genjuk. You see, the after the main letter, the letter they go is called Genjuk. Genjuk ga. So now is the before the main letter, whatever the letter they go, called it Ngunjuk. So now today is this is the one that we are learning. So when we pronounce the 5 Ngunjuk, we have to pronounce. Let's see, like ga is we have to pronounce gao, tao, pao, mao, ao. Let's one more. Gao, tao, pao, mao, ao. One more. Gao, tao, pao, mao, ao. Okay? So now we have to pronounce, this is how we pronounce it. We have to pronounce this ao. The 5 Ngunjuk we have to pronounce like ao. And this one is, you know how to pronounce ja, shabgyu, ju. And ga, you pronounce one by one, ga. And then pronounce is juk. Ao, ja, shabgyu, ju, ga, juk. That is how you pronounce juk. This Ngunjuk we have to remember how to pronounce. Ao, ao, ja, shabgyu, ju, ga, juk. So now then is whole is Ngunjuk. So that mean is before. Ngon mean is sa, ngata, nga, naro, ngo, na. Ngon mean is before. Ao, ja, shabju, ju, ka, juk mean is go. Before the main letter, this whatever the letter go, these are called Ngunjuk. So how many there are? This is the la, ngata, nga mean is 5. La, ngata, nga. La, ngata, nga mean is number 5. Ni mean is literally like introducing. What is like the 5 letter that go before the main letter R mean is like just like this, introducing word ni. Ngunjuk ngani. Let's focus one more, okay? Sa, ngata, nga, naro, ngo, na. Ngun. Always remember one by one. Just relax and read one by one. You will learn very automatically. Sa, ngata, nga, naro, ngo, na, ngun. Sa, ngata, nga, naro, ngo, na, ngun. Ao, ja, shabju, ju, ka, juk. Ao, ja, shabju, ju, ka, juk. Always remember the 5 ngunju are called gao, tao, pao, mao, ao. You see, now we have ya. Ao, ja, shabju, ju, ka, juk. Ngunjuk. La, ngata, nga. Na, kigu, ni. You guys remember? These dot are, it's like a separation word or separate. Like for example, the sa, ngata, nga, naro, ngo, na, ngon. One word. And then it's separated And now new one. Ao, ja, shabyu, ju, ka, juk. And then they separate. So you guys remember these are the separation word dot. La nga ta nga na kiguni. So this is like full stop. When a sentence is finished, this is the one called full stop. Okay. Ngunjuk nga ni. What are the ngunjuk nga? Ka, ta, pa, ma, ha. Ka, ta, pa, ma, ha. So today is just I introduce and literally explain the meaning of ngunju, but next video chapter will come. The example will be very interesting. But that today you guys just to remember what are the 5 ngunju. What are the 5 ngunju? Like ka, ta, pa, ma, ha. Or make sure you guys have to remember, like when we read, when we put the 5 ngunju with the word, always we have to pronounce kao, tao, pao, mao, ao. Just we did over here. Ao, ja, shabyu, ju, ka, juk. Remember? Ao, ja, shabyu, ju, ka, juk. We cannot pronounce like ha, ja, shabyu, ju, ka, juk. This is not the way to pronounce. We have to pronounce like a ao. You see? Ao, ja, shabyu, ju, ka, juk. So you guys have to remember kao, tao, pao, mao, ao. That is how we pronounce. But while the ngunju are just to remember like ka, ta, pa, ma, a. These 5 are 5 ngunju. So today we learn the 5 ngunju. And next step we will come more sentences with come like a ngunjuk, jinjuk. Just like here we have like a ngunju and the main letter and jinjuk. Previously we have learned. Now we will learn this or and we put together, and then is how we can able to read the Tibetan. We can read all the texts that we can. The first we have to learn this basic. So we have a little chapter left, and once done we will be able to read Tibetan text. That is how exciting. You guys are not very far, only the few chapter left. Okay, today we introduce the 5 ngunju, and I hope you guys are learning, and I also appreciate you guys as really focused and learning, and this is the really right time, more time everyone has, so it's time to learning how to read, and this is really, I really feel that you guys really is doing great job. Thank you. See you next chapter.